Welcome back to End Pets channel. Have a nice day, and if your pet has funny moments, don't be afraid to share it with me. Now, let's start with today's video. Always keep a smile on your face, no matter how difficult or challenging life is. Do not call me. I'm not going anywhere today. I'm wondering if this is some crazy thing or a toy. Yeah, I'm ready for summer outings. I thought the waves took me to another world.
No.
Oops, my favorite food? Thanks very much. Damned, I need a good meal. Don't bother me anymore. Please wait a moment. I will open the door for you right here. I know it's so chilly. Are you trying to trick me into eating? Hello, little friend. Can we be friends? Oh, I dreamed that I was eating a tuna meal in a fancy restaurant. Tonight, it's my turn to lie next to the master. Don't argue with me. Oh my god, I think he needs to get to the hospital as soon as possible. Wow, I don't think people will remember my birthday. Thanks for this beautiful cake. Vacuum cleaner. Oh my god. Let me pass, please. Your body is too big. It's good to have you around. You always care and take care of me. Oh, your face looks so awkward. Did you just do something wrong to me? Hey, you never get there. When you go like that, let me have you. Great, she runs so fast. When will I be able to run so fast? This is my bear. Where are you going to take it? Well, I have been asleep for so long. It's time to wake up.
Oh no.
Come on, come out. Who to come? close to my mother? I did nothing to you. Why do you keep hitting me? Bye. I go here and will never go back. Hey, where are you hanging out? Is it the same places as my family? I'm so hot-tempered. Put your hand away before I bite you. Oh no, don't treat me like that. I have nowhere else to go. It is a natural, physiological phenomenon. There is nothing to be afraid of. Where did that cry come from? I have been looking for a while, but I can't find it. Nice song. I will forgive you this time. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, click like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to give yourself a comment because of this cuteness and humor. Goodbye and see you again.